Install the M.2 adapter and M.2 drive. Install the M.2 adapter into the bracket and secure with the screw. Insert the M.2 drive at an angle of approximately 30 degrees into connector. Rotate the M.2 drive down until it catches on the lip of the retainer. Slide the retainer forward to secure the M.2 drive into place. Align the pins of the M.2 module bracket with the two holes on the both sides of the M.2 riser support bracket, and then install the bracket on the supercapacitor modules. Reconnect the cables. Reinstall the air baffle. Reinstall the top cover.